Can we help you?
No.
Hey, leave it there.
Redondo Beach, California. A group of people went around the neighborhood checking if doors were unlocked. This man even tried the door's passcode. Newark, New Jersey. This might be the worst criminal of the area. Her full face is on camera. During heavy wind, you might want to stay inside. Scottsdale, Arizona. A FedEx employee delivered a parcel, took pictures, and walked away with the item. Absolutely ridiculous. Cincinnati, Ohio. Another porch pirate strikes, but this is clearly his first time. San Diego, California. A man is caught entering the backyard and peeking through the windows inside the house. Hialeah, Florida. A ring camera captures an armed burglary of an old couple.
Get in the closet. I'm not fucking playing. Get in the closet right now. Get in the closet. Hurry up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Not playing. Hurry up. Get up. Hurry up. Get up.
How disgusting can you be? Robbing an old couple. On their way they go, hopefully straight to a 50-year sentence. Plano, Texas. Porch pirates are out for Prime Week, but not too careful with potential cameras.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Lexington, Kentucky. A man steals a whole grill like it's on summer sale. Aurora, Colorado. This woman came by this door on several occasions trying to get in, while the owner has no idea who she is. Fort Worth, Texas. He sneaks in the backyard looking for something to take. Real clever. Arlington, Texas. This thief had the shock of his life while trying to steal items inside a car. Irving, Texas. A group of people check multiple car doors in the neighborhood to see if they're unlocked. Richmond, Virginia. Spring cleaning doesn't go as expected. Reno, Nevada. A crazy lady was talking insanity in front of multiple ring cams. The police was called, but they did nothing.
Something I can help you with? There's something I can help you with?
What do you want else?
Huh? Is there
What's
something I can help you
wrong?
with? Get off my porch.
There it is. There it is. There it is. Look what happened. You don't know and you want to help whoever this is, and you didn't care about if you had a fake child one day.
New Orleans, Louisiana. A red sports car tries to kidnap a child in broad daylight.
Hey, we're going to play at the porch with them. No. I'm not. Get in the car.
Yeah? Some weird kid's trying to tell me to get in the car. I'm like, no.
Wichita, Kansas. A sketchy guy tries entering a house. The owner had no idea who he was. Bakersfield, California. A trespasser tries to open the gate and front door. Just look at his face. Could he be on drugs? Cleveland, Ohio. A male in a hoodie carrying a bag looks inside a car during midnight. Toledo, Ohio. A suspicious man asks for a ride at 2:30 a.m.
Can I talk to you for a minute,
Welcome. We'll be right there.
please? I'm a kid. I just need a ride, man. I'm lost.
Hey, yo, man, you gotta go, man. I don't know you, bro.
Alright.
It's better to be safe than sorry. St. Paul, Minnesota. This is probably one of the scariest things you can witness on your Ring cam. He holds a large knife as he approaches the door.
I got a gun. You got 5 seconds.
Open this fucking door.
Lubbock, Texas. A man goes around opening random doors. Stay cautious and verify unexpected.